Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be guiding you on how to create AI generated images on Lexica. So let us get started. First, open your web browser and type lexica.art in the address bar. If you have previously signed into Lexica on your device, it will take you to your dashboard directly. However, if you are new to Lexica, you will need to click on the Get Started button to begin the account creation process. So to start, simply add a prompt or description of the image you want to create. For example, you can type "cat in the ocean" as your prompt. After entering the prompt, click on Search. Lexica will then use its powerful AI algorithms to generate a variety of images based on your prompt. You will be presented with a collection of stunning AI-generated images featuring cats in the ocean. You can scroll through the results and choose the image that best matches your vision. If you are looking for specific styles or themes, you can try different prompts to get a variety of AI-generated images. That's it! I hope this tutorial helps you create beautiful AI-generated images on Lexica. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.